everyone! Oh my gosh, I am so excited you're here. Today, we are going to build something amazing together from scratch using Lynx. It's going to be awesome. Okay, deep breath. Are you ready to build your very first app? I know. It sounds super serious, but I promise we're just going to have fun. Seriously, you are going to be so surprised at how simple this is. You can totally do this. The best way to think about it is, it's like we're playing with magic Legos. We're just going to snap some cool pieces together and make something incredible. All right, let's learn our first magic spell. To build anything, you got to start with one single perfect building block. So in the world of Lynx, these little magic bricks are called elements. An element is literally the one tiny piece you use to build everything, and I mean everything you see. And our very first brick is going to be the dash element. And guess what it does? It just shows words. See? Super easy. So every little magic spell, element, has three parts. First, you need a start tag, like this, to open the magic. Then you put your words inside. That's the part everyone sees. And finally, you have to close the spell with an end tag. It looks just like the start tag, but it has that little slash. That's how it knows the magic is complete. Okay, we made some words appear. Yay! But now, let's get to the fun part and make it look pretty. Having text on the screen is cool and all, but what if we want to make it, pop? What if we want to make it sparkle? For that, we use attributes. Think of them as tiny little enchantments or power-ups that you can add to your elements to totally change how they look. And check this out. Here's our text before. Pretty standard, right? But then, bam, after magic. Just by adding this one little style attribute, we gave it a bright red background. How cool is that? It's a tiny change that makes a huge difference. Now that we know how to make one magic brick and even make it sparkle, what happens when we start clicking them together? Okay, this is my favorite part. You can actually put your magic bricks inside of other magic bricks. For real. It's called nesting, and it's like building with Legos for real. Look, here we have a bigger brick called a view. It's like a little box, and we just put two of our text bricks right inside of it. That's all there is to it. Now they're grouped together. So when you start nesting all your bricks together, you create something called an element tree. And get this, it's basically the secret blueprint for your entire app. It shows how all the pieces fit together. It's our secret map. Okay, so we've learned how to make bricks, style them, and build with them. But Lynx has one more secret, a secret superpower actually. So the secret is that Lynx elements are platform agnostic. I know, that sounds like a super technical, grown-up word, but what it means is actually pure magic. It means your code is like a universal translator. You write your spell just one time, and it just works. It works on an Android phone, it works on an iPhone, it works everywhere. No extra work. Just look at this. Your little view element magically turns into the right piece for Android and the right piece for iOS all by itself. It's like your code has secret identities and Lynx handles the whole disguise for you. You don't have to worry about a thing. And that's it. That's the secret. You now know everything you need to start building amazing things with Lynx. It's your turn to be the builder. So let's recap our spells real quick. Elements are our magic building blocks. Attributes are what we use to add all the sparkle and style. Nesting is just putting bricks inside other bricks to build cool stuff. And the best part? It all works on any phone automatically. So, you officially have the magic blocks. The power is in your hands now. The only question is, what are you going to build first?